Abigail, say hello. Abigail, come here. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. That's a good girl. Say hey, baby cat. That's my baby cat friend. Sit down, Abigail. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Good girl. Look, Abigail. Come here. Bring it to me. Good girl. Bring it to me. Go get it. Bring it to me. Oh. Good girl. Chew it up. Chew it up good. Come here. Can you sit right here, Abigail? Sit down. Sit. Can you shake? Good girl. Thank you, Abigail. Good girl. Can you run? Run fast. Run fast, Abigail. Run. Run fast. Run. You don't want to run? All right. Bring it to me. Thank you, Abigail. Thank you. Come right here, Abigail. Can you sit down? Sit. Oh, that's a good girl. Thank you. Come right here. Can you sit down? Sit down. Shake. Sit up. Shake with me. Can you shake? No. Can you shake? Shake. Shake. Say hey. Good girl. See, I'm a pretty girl. Where's baby cat? Where's your baby cat friend? Perfect. Is that baby cat? Hmm? Where's Papa? Where's Papa? Oh, where's Papa? Is that Papa? Is that Papa? Oh, got an itch? Come right here. Sit down. Oh, wait. Wait. Oh, wait. Okay, thank you. Good girl. Here you go. Bring it to me, Abigail. Oh, she's going to make a death snack. Bring it to me. Good girl. Bring it to me. You snack first. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Come over here. Come over here. Sit down. Sit. No, sit down. Sit down right here, Abigail. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Thank you. Look at Peppa. Is that good? Is that Peppa? Whose mouth is that? Is that yours? Is that your mouse? Is it? Is that Abigail's mouse? That's mine. That's mine. That's mine. You ready? Get baby cat. Is that your baby cat friend? Give it to baby. Look, thank you. Give it to baby.
I don't want none of that.
Is that your baby cat friend? Go get Mr. Mouse. Bring him to me. Good girl. Go get Mr. Mouse. Bring him to me. Abigail, can you go get Mr. Elephant? Oh, there's Mr. Duck. Get your duck. Over there. Get your duck. Get your duck. Look over there. Go get Mr. Duck. Get Mr. Duck. This decision virtually guarantees a significant U.S. presence in Iraq.